Hello everyone, welcome back to our Forex training series. I'm so glad you're here again. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. And as always, this series is designed completely for beginners. You don't need any previous knowledge of Forex. I'm here to guide you step by step. In our last lesson, Module 5, we talked about beginner-friendly trading strategies. We learned the importance of trend following. We explored how to trade breakouts. We saw how moving averages can help identify direction. And finally, we introduced risk management basics. Never risk too much on one trade. Now in Module 6, we'll go much deeper into risk and money management. This is one of the most important topics in trading. In fact, I like to say, a trader without risk management is like a driver without brakes. So let's get into it. Module 6, Risk and Money Management. 1. Importance of discipline. Discipline is the foundation of trading success. You may have the best strategy in the world, but if you don't follow your rules, you'll fail. Example. Imagine your strategy says risk only 2% per trade, but you get greedy and risk 10%. If the trade goes against you, you can wipe out your account very quickly. Discipline means sticking to your plan no matter how you feel. 2. Protecting your capital. The number one rule in trading is, don't lose all your money. Your capital is your trading fuel. Once it's gone, the game is over. Example. If you have a $1,000 account and you lose 50%, $500, you'll need to make 100% profit just to get back to break even. That's why protecting your account is more important than chasing big wins. 3. Setting realistic profit targets. Many beginners dream of doubling their money every week. Let's be honest, that's gambling, not trading. A realistic trader focuses on steady growth. 3% to 5% monthly is excellent. Even 1% monthly adds up to more than 12% per year, which beats many banks. Example. If you start with $1,000 and grow just 5% monthly, after 3 years you'll have more than $4,000 without adding any extra money. That's the power of compounding. 4. Controlling greed and fear. Two emotions destroy traders: greed and fear. Greed makes you overtrade or risk too much. Fear makes you close trades too early or avoid good setups. Example. You enter a trade and it goes $20 in profit. Greed says, don't close, wait for $100. Then price reverses and you end up with a loss. The solution? Stick to your plan, your stop loss, your take profit, and your risk rules. Fantastic work today. In this class, you learn the core principles of risk and money management. Why discipline is more important than strategy. Why protecting your capital must always come first. How to set realistic profit targets, and how to control greed and fear. Trust me, if you master this module, you're already far ahead of most beginners. If you enjoyed this class, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you can keep learning Forex for absolutely free. In the next class, Module 7, we'll talk about trading psychology. This is where we dive into the mental side of trading, which is just as important as technical skills. See you in the next class.